Meet the BMW i8, the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and futuristic design. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A symbol of innovation, performance, and eco-conscious engineering, the BMW i8 stands out with its low, wide stance, and those iconic butterfly doors, a design that turns heads wherever you go. But it's not just about looks. The i8 is built with lightweight materials like carbon fiber, ensuring a perfect balance of strength and agility. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The digital dashboard, high-end materials, and intuitive controls make every drive an experience. It's where luxury meets innovation. Under the hood, the BMW i8 combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering an impressive 369 horsepower. This plug-in hybrid lets you enjoy the thrill of a sports car while still being eco-friendly. 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds, all while maintaining efficiency and reducing emissions. With its plug-in hybrid technology, the i8 offers versatility. Switch to pure electric mode for those quiet, zero-emission city drives, or combine both power sources for maximum performance on the open road. The BMW i8 isn't just a car, it's a vision of the future. A car that proves you don't have to compromise between power, efficiency, and style. This is the future of driving. Today.